Recording? Okay, it's recording. Hey everybody. So I had this great idea to do an unboxing video for my Dooney Bourke handbag that came in the mail. But when I came home and I found the box, I had discovered some ants underneath the box. So there's no way that I was gonna bring that into the house. So I unboxed it outside, threw the box away, and I guess this, instead of an unboxing, it's gonna be a unwrapping. I don't know. So a couple of years ago, I got the large dome satchel from their Hydrangea Monogram collection, which is this one. Let me see. Can you see it? That's been holding up really, really well. Interior is holding up really good over the last couple of years compared to a bunch of other bags that I bought, like from Target or wherever. And I've always, like, 6 months in, the lining would be completely ripped to shreds and stuff will drop down in the lining, and I have to, like, search the black hole of my purse to try to find my keys or whatever that happened to just vanish in my bag. So I decided to find something that's a higher quality. It costs a little extra more money, a lot more money compared to what I used to spend, but I think this bag is gonna hold up really well for years as long as I take good care of it. So that's this one. And I don't think they sell this one anymore. Well, they do. They have the Hydrangea monogram, but the handle is different now, the one that I'm seeing on their website. And I'm not really too, I don't know. I don't really like the handle on the one that they're selling now. I like this one. So I'm glad I got this one when I did. I wanted to find something that's a solid color, a neutral color that I can use most likely year round. So in case I want to not carry a hydrangea bag during the middle of the freezing winter or during the fall, I've picked out the taupe color. Taupe, how do you pronounce this? Yeah, taupe. I got this bag recently on sale. Yes, it's another satchel. It's a large dome satchel, and I'm gonna open it. All right. We got that. Move this. And now the dog's barking. We have 2 dogs. Take this off. This is a nice color. Wow. Okay, I gotta get this off of the handle. Just a second. Okay. I think there might be stuffing in this though. But here it is. There's the monogram DB. It might be backwards because I have, it's this front facing camera thing so I can see what I'm doing. Sorry. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And I don't know if am I getting it? Yep. There we go. DB. Okay, so I'm gonna open this now. Zipper. More stuffing. Wow. Oh, that's attached. Okay. This is the strap for if you want to use it for a crossbody. Oh, it's one of those, it's a dust bag. I think that's what it's called, a dust bag. You're supposed to I have another one that came with the hydrangea handbag. I used to put it in the bag, the dust bag. I think it's called a dust bag. I used to put it in one of these, but now I just like toss it in my closet when I come home from work. Yeah. I probably should use the bag though. So that's what it came with. And more stuffing. I am going to show you the inside of the bag. This is the interior. It says Dooney Bourke. There's a zip compartment. There's a pouch. And on the other side, here's another one. And this is really good for, you know, putting your keys or your cell phone. And then of course there's a zip compartment on the exterior of the handbag. So this is the shoulder strap. If you want to wear the handbag as a shoulder bag, strap it on your shoulder or crossbody. And so there you go, there's the bag, the handbag. We'll see how long this one lasts. Like I said, my other one, it's been a couple of years, still doing really, really well. And so now I've got two. And you know what? I don't know if it's, I think their shape might actually be different. I don't know. Or maybe I'm just imagining things. Maybe because they have this at the bottom. And then this one, it doesn't at the base. Who knows? There you have it. There's my very first handbag unboxing, unwrapping, because I did not show the box because of ants. If you still like stuck around to watch my entire video, thank you so much. This was actually very awkward. I'm trying something new. I've never like done like this kind of thing before, but I just thought it would be really cool to show you that there are some high quality bags out there and you don't have to spend thousands of dollars behind it or even hundreds of dollars behind it. And Dooney Bourke, like I've got friends and family who use Dooney Bourke, and now I'm really starting to get into it. I kind of want to order another bag, but we'll see. Anyways, well, thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit subscribe. If you're interested in this kind of content, let me know if you want to see more content like this. I've got so much different content on my YouTube channel, from travel and things that I post for my Etsy shop, like just all over the place. But thank you for watching. I hope it wasn't too awkward for you like it was for me. This is definitely a new experience, new thing. But bye. See you guys later.